Alright, so here's my little Z50A. I just got it running. I'm going to take this thing for a ride now. And yeah, let's see if it can still go. Maybe I can take you with me. Let's see. It's a steep hill. See if I can get it into second without falling off. Whoa, jeez! There we go. Bike from a 60 is carrying a... I think I've got too many gears down. This is the part. Now I'm in neutral, or false neutral. There we go. Oh, there we go. Woo! Jerky. There you go, look at that little thing. How cool is that? Honda Z50A, this is the street legal one from Japan. And what makes it cool is obviously you can ride on the street. It's got full lights, indicators, everything works. The lights are still working. The